And with a foot of snow or more even expected in the city of Pittsburgh, transit is expected to take a big hit, and that includes PRT.
Yep, and joining us on the phone now is Adam Brandolph with Pittsburgh Regional Transit. Adam, thanks so much for joining us. We did get that update that you guys are dealing with some delays and in some cases areas that you can't even get to this morning.
Yeah, that's right. Good morning. So right now, all service is running. We're running regular Sunday service. We're experiencing about a 30-minute delay across our system. But yeah, you're right. Buses are unable to serve some areas in Penn Hills, the North Side, Braddock Hills, mostly areas that are, generally hilly to begin with. When you mix in the icy and snowy road conditions, it really creates that perfect storm where our buses aren't able to travel.
So what does that mean for riders right now? I know you mentioned the 30-minute delay, but also what can be done in the meantime?
Yeah, so for riders, we're encouraging them to call our customer service line, 412-442-2000, and talk to a customer service rep, ask them if buses are serving their stop. At this early stage, our customer service folks will know what bus stops are able to be served and what are not. If it's generally, like you heard from PennDOT, if your trip is not absolutely necessary, stay home. It's safer for everyone that way. And if you do have to go out, be careful. And if if you don't see buses coming down your road, or if you don't see cars coming down your road, and you absolutely have to make it out, go to a main road. Buses are more likely to be able to be traveling on main roads because they're the ones that are getting plowed more frequently.
All right, Adam Brandolph with PRT. Adam, thank you so much for being up with us and for updating us. We really appreciate it. You and the team stay safe, and we will be checking in with PRT throughout the morning.